What's up, Proud Marys? It's your girl, Keisha. Listen, it's Thursday. It's about 3:50 p.m. and you know what's going on today. It is essentially Ladies' Night, and I'm really excited because DJ E Square is coming today at 7 p.m. and he promises that he is going to bring the music, he's going to bring the liveliness, he's going to bring the wobbling and all the oldies but goodies today at 7 p.m. So, it's sunny outside, ladies, and it is our day. So if you're not doing anything, you need to come on down to Proud Marys and visit your girl Keisha, and let's enjoy our day because Thursdays belong to us. Friday, yes, our house band is back. We can't wait. The Conclusion Band, they are back at Proud Marys starting at 8 o'clock. They promises to bring all of the old school jams, some new jams, plus they have a new vocalist. We just love the Conclusion Band. Our house band is a house favorite. If you have not made your reservation, you need to call the reservation line immediately because they always bring a crowd. And then, what can I say? Saturday, entertainment in 2 different rooms. Yes, first up is the Queen of Blues. Miss Nadine Ray and her all-star band will be front and center, and she is starting Saturday at 8:30 p.m. And you all know how she does. She is the queen. So when I say 8:30, I mean 8:30. She's on the mic. She is bringing the house down, and we have no idea when she's going to finish because that's what queens do. They do whatever they want to once they're up in front and center. So, Miss Nadine, mwah, we love you. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Also, on Saturday, Also, DJ E Square is in the house on Saturday. Yes, it's the first annual Proud Marys Mature and Sexy Waterfront Party. That's right, I said it. Mature and Sexy Waterfront Party. And we have our DJ favorite, DJ E Square. He will be in the house at 7 p.m. on Saturday. You need to join this. If you're on Facebook, join the Mature and Sexy, okay? Because it is a group on Facebook, and we love it. We enjoy it. And it's only for the Mature and Sexy, so I look forward to it on Saturday at 7 p.m. out at the Tiki Bar. It's all about us, okay? So, entertainment, 2 different rooms. Got Mature and Sexy Waterfront Party outside, and we got the Queen of Blues. She's on the inside in the main dining room entertaining us all. So we look forward to it. Sunday. Yes. Sundays is Family and Friends Day. After church, feel free to come by Proud Marys, bring your bulletin, and receive 10% off of your meal from us here at Proud Marys. So we enjoy you, we love you, and guess what? Sundays is our favorite as well. Now, before I get off this video chat, I have to tell you guys, May the 5th, we are hosting Prince George's County. We are the finest. We are hosting one of the largest Kentucky Derby parties right here at Proud Marys. We're going to have fashion show. We're going to have hat auctions. We're going to have vendors. We're going to have food. We're going to have the Kentucky drinks. I can't wait. It's going to be swanky. And guess what? I said, look, we might as well do it just like they do in Kentucky. We need to wear our big hats, fancy hats, gloves. Men, wear your seersuckers, your hats, your bow ties, and let's have a fabulous good time. And guess what? There are big prizes for the best dressed women and the best dressed man that shows up at Proud Marys May the 5th for our Kentucky Derby party. And this party, just so you know, benefits breast cancer. So yes, we are all about the community. We're all about nonprofit organizations, and we support it 100%. So I'm really excited about May the 5th. So if you love it all, I love it all. And guess what? I got to get out of here because Thursday is actually Ladies' Night again, and I am going to be missing the action. I got to get down to the restaurant and create those swanky cocktails just for the women. So I love you all. Subscribe today to What's Up, Proud Marys. Mwah! And come and see your girl Keisha. Bye.